guys, welcome back to my channel. Tonight it's Sunday, so I am gonna meal prep a little bit. So I've been having a really bad sweet tooth at night, so I'm gonna show you a few recipes that can help curb the sweet tooth at night. And then also I am making a pancake bake. I have never done this before and I'm really hoping that it turns out. But what I'm going to do is I already have calculated the recipes in here, so as we go along I will tell you how many points each recipe is. If you guys aren't already, please subscribe to my channel. I really appreciate it. I would love to have you guys stick around. I will be uploading a few times a week from now on, so if you guys don't want to miss out, please give this video a like and subscribe and hit that bell. Okay, let's get right on into it. Okay, you guys, so I'm gonna start with the pancake bake, and I'm sorry for any noise in the background, but Indy is eating her dinner. She always chooses to eat when drink when I'm videoing. So anyways, we are going to do, this is the pancake mix I'm using. I just picked this up at my local grocery store. I did see this at Walmart. So it is 6 points per serving for this recipe. I am doing 1 1/3 cup of the pancake mix, and then with that I'm just gonna do 1 cup of water. Okay, sorry about that, you guys. So it cut off because my camera storage was full. Now I'm gonna do 1 cup of water, and I am just gonna gradually add the water because I don't want the pancake mix to get clumpy, and I don't want to add too much water. Just slowly add that in. I think 1 cup's good. Yeah, 1 whole cup. This is like the easiest meal ever. You can meal prep this for like work or breakfast in the morning. I'm gonna be eating this for lunch. So that is how simple that is. So now I'm going to put it in my pan here. And actually, you guys, I forgot, I'm going to be adding 1/4 of a tablespoon of vanilla extract. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that now. Just the tiniest little bit, because the vanilla is very strong, so. Alright, now we're gonna spray our pan. This is a 9 by 13 inch dish. I am going to be separating this recipe into 6 servings, just in case you want to know. And it is only 6 points per serving. Okay, now I'm going to add my chocolate chips. I have 2 tablespoons of chocolate, and I have 2 tablespoons of confetti. Okay, you guys, that is that. So now I'm gonna pop this in the oven for about 10 minutes, and I'm gonna see where it's at. Okay, you guys, now I'm gonna make the parfaits. I'm going to make 1 of the pumpkin spice and 2 of the peanut butter. So I am just using plain yogurt. This is not like Greek or anything special, it's just plain yogurt. And what I'm gonna do is, I cleaned out my cup, and I'm just gonna do 1 full cup in each container. So I'm just gonna scoop out 1 cup. Okay, and then I'm going to use the cheesecake. It's gonna be pumpkin spice cheesecake parfait. That's what I call it. And anyways, I'm going to use 1 tablespoon of this. It says 1/4 of the packet, so I'm just gonna guess, but just use your best estimate. And I'm going to go ahead and just pour this right in here. I'm gonna add a little more. It's still just very yogurty. Okay, that's really good. So I'm going to just add a little bit in here. And then I'm going to take my pumpkin spice. This brand is amazing, you guys. Her company is a low carb granola. It's kind of more of like, it's cookie clusters, so it really reminds me of cookies. So I'm gonna go ahead and add this. This is a peanut-based type deal. So just 1/4 of a cup. 1/4 of a cup is a serving, and that is about 5 points roughly. So, I mean, that's roughly 1/4. I'm gonna add just a little bit to this first layer. Okay. And then just keep doing that. You guys can add fruit. I did actually buy strawberries to put in here, but I didn't think that strawberries would be good with pumpkin. And then in the pumpkin one, on the second layer, I'm gonna be adding pumpkin pie spice and cinnamon. And then I'm gonna add pumpkin pie spice. You can find this at Walmart. Okay, and then I'm gonna add the rest of the yogurt on top of that layer. Okay, you guys, so that is my pumpkin spice parfait. You can't see the layers, but this is gonna be so delicious. It's a pumpkin spice cheesecake parfait. And I'm gonna put the lid on here and stuff it in the fridge. And then I'm gonna put this on top of it when I eat it, just a little bit, and then yeah. So that is the first one. Okay, I'm gonna use just this little Tupperware dish, and I'm actually going to take the same thing here, and I'm going to do 2 cups. Okay, so we roughly have about 2 cups there, and I'm going to take the white chocolate, sugar-free white chocolate Jell-o mix. I love white chocolate, so I'm really excited about this one. And I'm going to add half of the packet to this one. That is so good. I'm gonna actually just add the whole packet. So what I'm going to do is add a little on the bottom. Just make a parfait. Just kind of do what I did with the last one. And I got these bowls at Walmart, if you were curious. And then I'm going to be using the peanut butter macadamia one. These are so good. This is only 3 points for 1/4 of a cup. Okay, so I'm just going to do one at a time now. I'm just going to add a little bit. This one is a lot more peanutty. This layer, you guys, this is when I'm going to add the Reese's peanut butter. Oops, I can't open it. The Reese's peanut butter whip. And I'm gonna add another layer. One more layer of this on. Okay, you guys, so I just added a little bit of the whipped cream around the edges. And that is the Reese's chocolate parfait. Now I will make this one, and I will just speed through this one. you guys, here is the second one. And my pancakes are done. My pancake bake is done. Also, I squirted some of this in my mouth, the Reese's. I squirted some of this in my mouth. It's so delicious. Watch. It's so good. I'm kind of wishing that I would have put a layer of this in the cheesecake one, but that's okay. You live and you learn. Anyways, I wanted to show you the pancake bake. Here's the pancake bake. I cooked it for about 10-ish minutes. Just wait for it to be golden brown, and then I stuck a toothpick through it and it came off clean. So it looks kind of green because the confetti is green, but you guys don't even have to put chocolate chips. You could put blueberries, you could put strawberries. That will lower the points. So I'm going to be cutting this into 6 portions, and then eating this. Me and Jason are both going to eat this. Here are my parfaits. I'm so excited to eat these, especially this peanut butter one. Like I said, the Reese's peanut butter dairy whipped topping is so delicious. I'm going to be eating one of these tomorrow after dinner, and then this will be my lunch for the week. And then I wanted to come on here quickly and show you guys what I am eating for dinner this week. So tomorrow I'm going to my friend Danielle's and we're going to make dinner together. I don't know what we're having. And Tuesday I'm making tater tot hot dish, mock chow mein, chicken parmesan, and Friday chicken, French onion chicken. I wanted to do a meal prep for you guys since I've never meal prepped on my channel yet, and I just came up with the parfait at the grocery store. I thought that'd be a great idea. So, and then this wonderful brand, Lolli's. I'm really bad at pronouncing stuff, I'm so sorry. But I do have a discount code. If you guys wanted to pick one of these bad boys up, I have all of the flavors. They're all delicious. The gingerbread, the peanut macadamia, the cinnamon crunch, and their new addition, the pumpkin spice. It's literally like the consistency of a cookie. So delicious. I love it. I put it on my yogurt. As you can see, I put it with yogurt. But yeah, if you guys wanted to pick that up, in my description box below, I have a discount code where you guys can click and get 10% off your order. I really hope you guys enjoy these recipes. Everything will be listed down below. All of the points and everything. If you guys liked this meal prep, please give it a thumbs up. I will probably do a what I eat in a day this week with the both of these recipes and let you know how they are. And yeah, with that being said, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will catch you on the next one. Bye.